Welcome to the PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is India's first integrated agri-export facility. Recently, India's first integrated agri-export facility came up at Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Mumbai. This facility will address inefficiencies in logistics, reduce multiple handlings, and extend the shelf life of agricultural products. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority is set to establish an all-in-one state-of-the-art agricultural facility at the JNPT port. The facility will span 67,422 square meters. The facility will cater to exports of prominent items like non-basmati rice, maize, spices, onion, and wheat. Let's talk about the benefits of the new integrated facility. The expected benefits include better prices for agricultural goods, job creation, and overall growth in the agricultural sector. It will also empower the farmers and exporters, stimulate demand, and foster rural development. This all-in-one agricultural facility at JNPA will streamline logistics, reduce wastage, and provide better prices for agricultural products. The new facility will empower farmers, boost job opportunities, and enhance export capacity. The estimated export capacity increase includes frozen storage of 1,800 metric tons, cold storage of 5,800 metric tons, and dry warehouses with a capacity of 12,000 metric tons for grains, cereals, and dry cargo. The facility will store the perishable items for a long time and safeguard them from rotting and wastage. MOPSW is also developing one of the biggest ports, the Vadhavan port, with a total investment of about Rs 76,220 crore. It will be developed as an all-weather greenfield deep draft major port in Vadhavan, Palghar district of Maharashtra. That will also result in benefit of the farmers and creation of jobs and employment. Let's now discuss recent initiatives taken to boost the agri-logistics. Recently, the Union Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways approved PPP projects of Rs 284.19 crore to revolutionize agri-logistics. Maharashtra has already seen the completion of 16 projects of Rs 790 crore with Rs 232 crore financial assistance from the Sagarmala till date. Currently, 14 additional projects worth Rs 1,115 crore are underway, receiving Rs 561 crore in assistance from the same scheme. As a part of Sagarmala program, more than 800 projects at an estimated cost of around 5.54 lakh crore have been identified for implementation during 2015 to 2035. Now it's time for the practice question. Recently, India's first integrated agri-export facility is about to come at which port? Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Mormugao Port, Vishakhapatnam Port, or Kamarajar Port? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।